Welcome. My name is Thomas. I'm here to share in this video five passive income ideas that you can start right now in 2022. And if you're the person that's looking already to come online and start online business from a digital standpoint, and you want to get started from a simple standpoint, then some of these ideas may be right up your alley. They may not be, but the bottom line is we have people out here who are great at what they do, who help people like you who want to come online and start a digital or online business for themselves, but don't have a clue on how to make that happen for themselves. And so if that's you, then you can reach out to me and I can help you with that, or I can put you in front of my mentor and coach who I invested in thousands of dollars over the years to help me with my business. But the bottom line is you want to connect with someone who can help you do this in the right way. And so five passive income streams will be number one, a digital product or course of some kind. More likely, you want to create something that you are knowledgeable about, you're passionate about, you're good about, something you uh, can create that's not going to cause you to have to go research it because you already know it. It's already in you. So when I create my products, there's things that I'm already doing that I create inside my platform that I resell. So I don't have to go do all this research because the stuff I've been doing over the last 21 years inside my business already. So when it comes to basic payroll setup services, when it comes to bookkeeping services, when it comes to tax preparation services, when it comes to entity formation services, when it comes to uh, all the different ways that I generate income, I turn those into products and services and I sell them online because I'm already doing it. I'm already familiar with it. I just got a bigger reach because now I put it online where more people can see me and find out about me because YouTube is my number one platform because one is a search engine and two is owned by Google. And so that's the platform I chose to use because that's the platform my mentoring coach uses for the last 15 years inside of her business. Number two, invest in partnership as a limited partner, investor only, where you invest so much money at a agreed percentage. And if the business is successful, you get a passive income stream from that. And so that's a way to uh, make money passively because you're not materially participating inside the business. Another way is writing an ebook. That's the first thing I did in 2020 uh, as a ebook. And the ebook was simply the steps that I walk my clients through to start with setting up their own tax preparation business. And so I wrote that within a week. I paid somebody to proofread it, reconfigure it, and make it look professional. And I started selling it for $27. And right now today I'm selling it on Etsy for 27 and 17. Two different versions, but the same content. One is a black and white version, one is a colorful colored version. And so I let them know this is the same content, different uh, packaging. That's it. And then we have affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is hot right now, and that's making money from promoting other people's products and services. And you got people who making five, six, seven figures doing that. But the problem with anything, especially online, is we have more people not making money than people who are making money. And so we want to change that to where we starting to have a better percentage of people who coming online looking for ways to create extra income or create income in general start to get wins inside their business because they're connecting with the people who have their best interest at heart, who want to show them the right and correct way to really go out here and generate affiliate marketing income for themselves. Then rental income. Rental income is considered passive because you buy a building. Uh, if it needs repairs and fixing, you've already done that before you've even started renting it out. And so, boom, you get a passive income from rent every month. Any repairs and things that may be needed shouldn't happen every month, especially if you put the right uh, money inside the property that you bought in the first place to ensure that every time you look up, you don't have to go there and fix something. So rental property is considered passive income. So those are the 5 passive income ideas in this video. And so if you are the person that's coming online and you don't have a clue on what to do and how to get started, and you need some help and direction when it comes to that, you can reach out to me. And for the month of August, talk with me for free. Pick my brain for free. And I'm going to help you, point you in the right direction on how to get that done. And you have to figure out how you're going to make that happen once I get information on what you need to get done. And so when it comes to that, you have people who I can point you to who are going to charge you to make it happen. Or if it's something I can do, you can pay me to help make it happen. But the bottom line is I'm allow you to talk to me for free so I can help you and point you in the right direction based on what you're trying to do when it comes to coming online and starting your online journey. And so when it's all said and done, passive income can be a great way to make life-changing money for you and your family to help you live the type of lifestyle you want to live. But you must touch down with the right type of people who has your best interest at heart, who truly have a heart to serve and to see you make it and don't want to misuse you and abuse the fact that you don't know what you need to know and that they already know they got you at a disadvantage and they take advantage of that. That's what I'm not about. And I try my best to market myself in a totally different way than I see a lot of people doing online. Because I want to separate myself from the masses because based on me being a person who purchased many products and services online and requested many refunds because it was something I never really truly would have brought if I'd have knew particular things about the product or service in the first place that they don't tell you no way. And so those are the things I don't want to do. I want to let you know what everything's about so you make a full-fledged buying decision before you make an investment. That way you satisfied, I'm satisfied, we can move forward working together in harmony to help you grow and build a profitable online business for yourself, and life will be good. So when it's all said and done, the internet is a powerful tool and resource that we get to leverage to build online businesses, and it's much cheaper than trying to do a traditional business. See, I had a traditional business, tax preparation in Chicago, made plenty much money, but never had an online presence. And so that's the main reason I came online in 2013, was to find someone who could help me bring my brick and mortar business online and start generating a brand, awareness, visibility, know, like, and trust, and income from that. And the person I'm working with today is the person I found back in 2013, and I followed her long enough to decide and to let her show me she was the right one for me. And I'm grateful for that. And I'll see you in my next video.